How to share someone's stories on Facebook. To share someone else's story on Facebook, follow these steps. First of all, open the Facebook app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook account, tap on the story you want to share. As you can see, there is a story available on my Facebook page. Let's simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will get to see the share icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen, and tap on the share icon. Now, once you see the share icon, you can send it to your Facebook friends, or you can simply tap on the copy link option available there and paste it to any friend of yours on their message, and they can go directly to this story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.